So hey guys, what's up? It's Arijit here and welcome back again to another new video of my channel. And today in this video I will do the unboxing of this phone. And this phone actually launched in India a long time ago, but still today I'm going to do the unboxing of this phone because just I want to do the unboxing and have experience of it. So this is your Redmi 7, you can see. And I actually cut the sales. You can also see that the specifications. Qualcomm Snapdragon 632, AI rear camera, 4000 mAh battery, and Comet Blue, 2GB, 32GB, and you can see the IMEI numbers too. Here it's made in India, so let's see. Also written India's #1 smartphone brand, so we'll see. Here is the mini box, and here the phone is actually. You can see that how beautiful the color actually is. Really amazing color. I just like it. Power on. Haptic motor is great. In-hand feel is also amazing. Here a micro USB cable and R10, what I think is right. Yes, 5 volts, 2 ampere, and here it's also made in India, so that's nice. Let me keep it aside. Let's see the phone. Here the phone actually is. Here the phone is. You can see the good phone. You can see the vibrations. You can actually hear the vibrations. So let me. Oh, there is a ban app in this phone, as you can see. Me community. So again, it's a disadvantage. So anyway, camera section. MIUI 11 camera interface. What's up with this? You can see. And let me give you the physical overview of this phone. At the top, you are getting a secondary mic, 3.5mm headphone jack, and an IR blaster. At this side, you are going to get a SIM tray for your SIMs. At the bottom, you are going to get a micro SD port, and one is primary microphone, and another is speaker. Here, this side, we're going to get a power on off button and volume rocker. So, camera bump is okay. Rear fingerprint scanner. So anyway, that's all in this video. And yeah, I also forgot to see one here. I have also actually I purchased this cover. The company does not give me, so here a very hard cover. So anyway, that's all in the video. If you enjoyed this video, then give a like, share it with all your family, friends, and social medias, and subscribe, like, and follow me now on both Instagram and Twitter to stay connected with us. And catch you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, and take care.